Hello, this is Jason Owens making a quick video showing how my engine and transmission runs in this truck. This is a 1978 Ford F250 four-wheel drive. Anyways, I will be selling the 400 V8 transmission. I misspoke. The 400 V8 engine, as well as the C6 auto 3-speed transmission. I'm going to be swapping in a Cummins diesel engine and another transmission. So this thing's working fine, but it's got to go. Anyways, just wanted to take a video of it starting and running, just to help it sell. Anyways, this is not the original engine to this truck. This engine came out of if I remember correctly, it came out of a 1971 Ford LTD. But it's been a while, so I can't quite remember for sure. But it was an early 70s Ford LTD. It is an actual 400, not a 351 modified. I don't remember exactly how many miles the LTD had on it with this engine, but it was very low. I want to say it was around 20,000, but it's been probably close to 20 years or further ago, so I'm just going off of memory and what my father told me, who owned this before me and did the swap way back when. The truck itself now has a little over 64,000 miles. A little over 64,000 miles. That's on the truck itself, and those are the original miles. It has not rolled over or anything. My dad bought this truck back in 1986, and it's been in the family ever since. So the engine has far less miles than that. I remember there's been at least 20,000 miles put on the odometer since the engine was put in. So if I had to guess, I'd say the engine has somewhere between 40 and 50,000 miles on it, but I can't say for sure. Anyways, haven't started it in a week or so, so we'll see here. It doesn't run perfect, but it runs really well. As long as you set the choke. There we go. Didn't set the choke properly. It has oil pressure when you first start it, but as soon as it warms up, the oil pressure goes down. All of these engines do this. As far as I can tell, that's not an issue with these. It's just natural behavior. So anyways, we'll take it for a little drive now. Let me go close the hood and we'll back out. Alright. We'll take it for a little drive. See, it's still cold. Oil pressure's still good, but it will drop as it warms up. Today is May 30th, 2021, right before Memorial Day. Once we get out on the main road here, I'm going to stop the video because I don't want to get pulled over for having a cell phone in my hand. I'll take another video once I come back. See you shortly. Alright, heading back home. Now that it's warmed up enough, the oil pressure's back down, but that's normal. We'll get on it here a little bit. Going 40. Transmission shifts fine. Here, I'll kick it down. And I'll get a video of the engine running here in just a moment. Here we are going backwards. And before we park it here, we'll just redneck it a little bit. Alright. Gotta shut it off. Got a locking hood on here, so I have to use the same key here. Not very common. Alright. And there's the engine. Anyways, it's a good running engine. I just got a better one. So, that's it. Just wanted to hear it growl one more time.